My name is Andrea Cooper, and I'm an instructor at Centura College. I'm also the externship instructor for Centura Virginia Beach campus. Externship consists of 180 hours for medical assistants where they actually do hands-on clinicals so that they'll be ready when they actually go out into the field. You have to want a difference in your life. You have to want to do better, and this is the place. We provide the tools that all of our students need to go out and be successful. We provide faculty and staff that are willing to work with each and every student right where they are, who are willing to reach out and say, we got you, let's do this together. A four-year college is not for everybody. A career college, I think, is for most people. In a career college, Centura College, you've got so many opportunities. What we offer our students is a career and not a job. There's a big difference. A job is something where you just show up every day and you do a specific work. A career is something that you really enjoy doing, you have a passion for. That's what we offer. That's the tools that we give our students to go out and do and be better. I'm Andrea Cooper, and I work at Centura College, where we connect communities and careers.